What we're looking at here is a white Fasco Great Room fan. This dates to November of 1991. And this was yet another Facebook Marketplace find. This is actually my first Fasco with 5-blade flywheel. So the whole time I've been collecting, I've never actually owned one. Until now. This thing is in really good shape. This was installed in the kitchen. I removed it myself. It was covered in kitchen grease on the top of the motor and the blades and all that stuff. I cleaned that up real well. It cleaned up pretty nice. Start off on low. So this fan still has good bearings, the original bearings. That's always a really good thing to find. And Fasco, the Fasco flywheels are notorious for dry rotting and breaking. However, this one is still nice and flexible. So good bearings and good flywheel. And that's a big win-win right there. This is medium speed. We'll bring it up to high. It shakes around a tiny bit, but not much at all. It actually runs really smooth. We'll watch the spin down. I think I got a pretty good deal with this. And the reason is because I got this fan for the amazing price of $5, as well as a Fanimation Islander, a Hampton Bay Cameron 2, and a Hunter low profile from 2001. $5 each. I paid $20 for everything. And I think that's just really amazing. And videos of all those fans will be coming soon as well. And that is all for this Fasco Great Room fan.